welcome back to another episode of my channel, Plant-Based Becky. So tomorrow is Halloween and I am going to be making pumpkin chocolate chip muffins to bring into work, and I wanted to share the recipe with you guys. Now I know by the time you see it, it'll be a couple days after Halloween, but this recipe is perfect for any time of the year, really. It's great for Thanksgiving dinner, or I think I've even made it for Easter. So as long as you can get pumpkin in the store, it's really not a bad idea to make pumpkin bread or pumpkin muffins. And you can use this recipe for pumpkin muffins or pumpkin bread, which is what makes it really great. The ingredients you need for this recipe are flour, powdered sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, pumpkin pie spice, chocolate chips, pumpkin puree, non-dairy milk, oil, maple syrup, and lemon juice. So nothing too crazy though. Things you might not have in your house are most likely the pumpkin and the pumpkin pie spice. So I went ahead and I preset the oven for 400 degrees, which is the temperature for the muffins. But I will be sharing all the details of all the ingredients and the instructions in the box below. So I finished mixing the batter up. As you saw, I mixed the dry ingredients together and then the wet ingredients and slowly combined them. And I didn't film it, but I just added the chocolate chips, and now I'm ready to pour into the cupcake holders. So for these mini cupcakes, I didn't have any cupcake liners, but I took a little bit of oil and just rubbed it around each one with my finger. So that recipe made 12 muffins and about 20 or so mini muffins. But I made them pretty small, so next time I might film a little bit bigger, or I might make a double batch. These smell delicious. I can't wait to take them into work tomorrow and see how people like them. I'm not gonna try one right now, but if I post this video, you'll know that they turned out pretty good. So that's all for this episode. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if you try this recipe and how it turns out. Thanks, see you again next time.